Your salary took 160 hours to earn this month. A funded trader can make the same or more with the click of a few buttons. Not because they're smarter, not because they work harder, but because they understood a structure that most people don't even know exists. Let me show you how it works. Making a living means your trading income covers your life. That's your rent, your food, your bills, whatever that number is for you. The number doesn't matter for this conversation. What matters is the structure that makes it possible. Because the structure is the same whether your target is 2K a month or 10K a month. Here's how it works. You pass a modern prop challenge and get access to a funded simulated account. You trade it and the profits you generate become real payouts. At BrightFunded, the starting profit split is 80-20 in your favor, with weekly payouts processed within 24 hours. You keep 80% of what you make and you see it in your bank account every week. That's the mechanism. The question is, how do you turn that mechanism into consistent, livable income? So let's build this from the ground up. Say you're trading a 100K funded simulated account. At an 80-20 split, you keep 80% of your profits. One winning trade with a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio is 3% profit, meaning you keep 2.4K. If you're able to take 1 to 2 trades a month with a 40 to 50% win ratio, this could be a consistent monthly income from a single account. Now add a second funded account, same discipline, same percentage, doubled output. 2 accounts balancing risk across both and trading one after the other increases your chance of a payout. The 2.4K a month can now become 4.8K a month or even more. That's more than a full-time income for most people. And it came from averaging 3% a month with solid risk management. Then you can scale both accounts up. Get a 90% profit split and the numbers grow without requiring you to take more risk. The compounding comes from the structure, not from swinging bigger trades. That's the path. It's not a single big month. It's consistent, modest returns applied to growing account sizes with improving profit splits. This might happen in month 1. It might happen in month 3. Before you make a living from trading, there's a phase most people skip over. Becoming good enough, learning a strategy, testing it, back testing it, then we're trading it until your equity curve proves you have an edge. That phase could take 6 months, it could take a year, or it could even take longer. Then there's the challenge itself. Passing the 2-phase evaluation under simulated condition with drawdown limits requires a level of discipline that demo trading alone doesn't build. Some traders pass on their first attempt, some don't. Each failed attempt costs time, money, and confidence, which is why preparation matters more than ambition. Then there's the funded phase. Your first few months as a funded trader are not going to match the numbers we walked through earlier. You'll have losing weeks. You'll have flat months. You'll second guess your strategy on a Thursday night after 3 red days in a row. The traders who build a living from this survive that phase. They stay funded. They don't blow their accounts chasing the recovery. They trust the process and let the scaling do its own job over time. The timeline from 0 to full-time income is measured in years, not months. That's not discouraging. That's the truth that protects you from quitting when month 4 doesn't look like the spreadsheet you made in month 1. If you want to turn modern prop trading into a living, 3 things matter more than anything else. Risk management. Not strategy, not entries, risk management. A 1% risk per trade on a 100K funded account means your worst single loss is $1,000. That's recoverable. A 5% risk per trade means one bad day can end your funded account entirely. The traders who build a long-term income protect their accounts first and grow them second, every single time. Second point is consistency. Consistency over intensity. A 2% month for a year is worth more than a 15% month followed by blowing the account. The payout structure rewards staying funded. Everything about the model is designed to compound consistency, so use it. Thirdly is patience. It's a process that rewards the traders who treat it like a career and not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you can stay funded and stay consistent, the structure does the heavy lifting, but you have to give it time. If you're watching this, there's a reason. Maybe you're sitting at a desk right now in a job that pays the bills but doesn't give you anything else. You clock in, you clock out, and somewhere between the alarm and the commute, you keep thinking there has to be more than this. Maybe it's not about getting rich. Maybe it's about you being there when your kids get home from school. Maybe it's just about wanting to retire your parents, about not wanting to ask for permission to take a day off, about building something that's yours. 10 years ago, the only way to trade seriously was to save tens of thousands of dollars and risk it all yourself. That door was closed for most people. Modern prop firms open it. For just under 500 euros, you can access a $100,000 simulated account, prove your skill, and start earning real payouts weekly. The barrier that kept regular people out of the game is gone. This isn't easy, but nothing worth building is. The opportunity is here, the structure is here, and it's waiting for the people who are willing to do the work. Making a living from modern prop firms is possible, and for some traders, this eventually becomes a path to trading full time. But it requires skill, discipline, and a talent that most people underestimate. Picture it, 2 funded accounts, a few trades a week, $4.8K a month hitting your bank account while you're at home with your family. Not because you got lucky, because you built a skill and found a model that rewards it. The traders who get there aren't the most talented, but the most patient. They stay funded when it was hard, kept compounding when it was slow, and let the results build over time. That's the realistic guide. No shortcuts, no hype. A path that works if you're willing to walk it. See you in the next one.